to my YouTube channel. Today we will going to learn how to convert PySpark DataFrame to Pandas DataFrame. In my previous lecture, as we learned about the how to create an empty data frame and empty RDD, how to convert from RDD to data frame, and how to create a data frame as a refresh. And today we will see how to convert PySpark DataFrame to Pandas DataFrame, right? So we have a function like a toPandas in PySpark to convert the data frame into Pandas data frame, right? So use the toPandas method available in PySpark data frame objects to convert them to data frames. Pandas data frame are in-memory data structure, so consider memory constraints where converting large PySpark data frames converting a PySpark data frame to Pandas data frame allows you to leverage Pandas extensive functionality for data manipulations and analysis. What does it mean? There is a memory constraints in PySpark while converting a large data frame to Pandas data frame. Okay, so we need to care about when we have a large data. So first we will check like what is the memory availability for converting this one. Okay, so is suitable for the smaller data set but not for the very large data set. Process in a distributed mode, right? So we have to take care about that, but we have alternative options also, like if you are working with the large data set and consider processing the data directly in PySpark instead of converting to Pandas. So for partial data you can use like limit functions before converting to Pandas data frame to ensure the driver does not run out of memory. Okay, so there is the key point, like there is a constraint in because we know that Spark basically works in memory process, right? So there is a memory constraints while converting to PySpark data frame to Pandas data frame. Okay, let's take an example and we will check the code how to write the code for basically converting the PySpark data frame to Pandas data frame. Okay, first we will import our PySpark Spark session. Okay, so from PySpark.sql we will import Spark session. Okay, now we will create the Spark object. Spark session. Okay, I made a mistake, so it will be in uppercase. Spark. From PySpark.sql we will import Spark session, and then we will create a Spark session. Spark is equal to Spark session dot builder dot app name, and we can name it like a convert a data frame. Okay, get or create. Okay, so we can run this. Let's check. Builder. Okay, I made mistake here. Bu Spark session builder object has no attribute app name. Okay, so this will be on uppercase. Let's run again. So now our Spark engine is ready. Now we will take an example of name and age, and we will create a first data frame basically in PySpark. Okay, we can take example data is equal to, and in list we can take the multiple tuples for naming like Alice, and maybe age is 25, and next records we can take like John, and John is suppose 20. Let's take another records, maybe Bob, and age is 30. And we can create a schema also in list like name and age. Now we will create our data frame df spark session dot. We have a function create data frame. For creating a data frame in PySpark, we will pass our data and with the schema. Okay, okay. I can show you the data frame df dot show. Let's run. Okay, so our data frame is ready. As I mentioned earlier, like we have a two pandas method for converting a PySpark data frame into pandas data frame. So I can convert this here like pandas data frame. I can name it, and we have a df earlier. So this Spark data frame df dot two pandas. Okay, and yeah, now we can also here print pandas data frame. Yeah, so here as in pandas we have a data frame with indexing, so it is shown like this, and our Spark job is run and successfully. So we have got the our pandas data frame here. Okay, so today we learned about like converting PySpark data frame to Pandas data frame. Earlier we learned about the how to create an empty data frame. So this is the data frame series, and you can learn many more things ahead. I will focus on basically data frame functions, what is data frame, and I'm focusing on just coding part, not the concepts part. But yeah, in later videos, I will explain everything while doing these coding parts also. Then we will cover the RDD part also, and in some in Spark inbuilt functions like how to rename the function columns, how to drop the columns, and in data frame manipulations like filters, how to filter the records on basis on the some conditions and if else conditions. So many more things we will learn in upcoming videos. Okay, so I hope you understand. uh, I will see you in the next video. So yeah, okay, thank you, bye bye.